This is the Finesse Bathroom Accessory range, locally manufactured by Dominus and exclusive to Italtile. Delicately fine and stylish, this range offers timeless elegance for the sophisticated bathroom and is available in 4 aesthetically pleasing finishes: chrome, matte gold, a chrome white combination, and the more recent brushed nickel, which pays homage to the great German Bauhaus tubular steel aesthetic and which was specifically designed to match Italtile's exclusive Divina Ferrara tap range. The Finesse range includes shelves, assorted towel rails, rings and robe hooks, toothbrush holders, soap racks and dishes, a toilet paper and spare paper holder, as well as a toilet brush set. All the pieces in the Finesse Bathroom Accessory range are manufactured from solid brass, are durable and simple to install, and are supplied with strong corrosion-proof fixations for rigid, secure support through a lifetime of use. Alternative fixations are available for glass, wood and dry walls, and towel rails in the range can be supplied in custom lengths, with a maximum length of 1,000 millimeters. Shop the impressive and very versatile Finesse Bathroom Accessory range, online or in-store, exclusively at Italtile.